Hello everyone, welcome back to IITian Club. I am Ashlin, first year student at NIT Calicut. I hope most of your preparation is going well, but you are feeling difficult to crack maths as well. But in the last 7 days, what you can do for this maths to boost your score? This video will help you score at least 20 marks in maths because these 4 chapters which I have listed over here will help you easily score 16 to 20 marks. Let's see how. But before moving, make sure you subscribe to our channel and keep watching. Starting with statistics. This chapter, if you learn completely, plus 4 in your paper. It's for sure. You can expect most of the questions from mean and variance. That's what I have highlighted over here. Even when you go through 2024 questions, you will be seeing most of the questions will be around mean and variance concept. Although there are mean, median, mode, and variance standard deviation, mean and variance are the most frequently tested topics. So make sure you cover it to the great extent. And you must make a formula sheet for this chapter. You have to divide your sheet into two. That is, one side you can write every formulas of mean, median, and mode, and next side you have to write the formulas of variance, standard deviation, mean deviation about mean and median, all these things. If you solve all the 2024 January questions and learn the concept behind that, you can easily crack this chapter. So, what are you waiting for? Just go and crack it. The second easy kill chapter is 3D geometry, one of my favorite chapter, because most of the questions are easy and direct. Like you can expect like formula based questions in this. If you know the formula, you can directly substitute the values and use your little bit of logic and you can solve the question. That's how the questions are set. First of all, you make sure you go through the theory of this. Don't go to in-depth theory, just learn what is what and learn the formulas of everything and make a formula sheet. That's the must do, I would say, because in your last 7 days you have to manage your time very efficiently so that you don't waste your time much on math without spending your time on physics and chemistry. Physics and chemistry is also very important. That also you have to revise parallelly. But maths will help you boost your score. Like 20 marks can boost your score like anything. That's what this video is about. And the key topics which you have to go through in this 3D geometry is shortest distance between two lines. You can see n number of questions asked from this topic and distance along a given line. Usually students know the formula directly to find out shortest distance between two given lines. But NTA sometimes tests the concept of distance along a given line. Like what they will tell is there is two lines given and you have to find the distance between the lines along another line. It is not the shortest distance. It will be in another direction. For that, you have to learn that concept and solve the questions which are asked in 2024. Next topic is image and foot of perpendicular. This topic is also tested like anything in this year. So make sure you learn the concept and apply them in 2024 questions and crack this chapter. All the best. Moving on, we have determinants. This is one of the favorite topic of NTA. Every year questions are being asked from this, and the most important topic is system of linear equation, in particular infinite solution case. This is the most favorite topic of NTA, so make sure you cover this in these last 7 days and crack it. Also this year some questions from expanding the determinant and solving was asked. Also these are simple questions, that's why I mentioned it as easy kill topic. In these last 7 days, if you do these, you will be able to boost your score by 20 marks, which makes a great difference. Make sure you do that. Also, you learn how you differentiate a determinant. It's also an easy concept. When you learn the concept and apply all these in 2024 question, you'll be easily able to crack this chapter. All the best. The next easy kill topic is sets and relation. Many easy questions were asked in January attempt, so you can expect the trend to continue in April as well. Starting with sets. In sets, you will be given a set and you will be given with some constraints x comma y, and there will be some constraint on x comma y given as a quadratic equation or a cubic equation to solve. It will be given like, or else they might give the condition in any way, but the conditions were easy this time. Earlier it used to be difficult trigonometric equation, but in 2024 it was a bit easy, when I would say. So you can go through the question and you can understand what I mean by number of elements in the set. They'll be giving a set and they'll be asking how many number of elements will be found in this set. So you can easily answer. And Venn diagram question. These are word problem based questions. They'll be given different scenarios and you will be easily solving using the union formula. That's the basic ideology. And when it comes to relation, reflexive, symmetric, transitive, equivalence, when you go through these 2024 questions, a lot of questions were asked. So make sure you learn what is reflexive, symmetric, transitive, equivalence, relation and apply them in few concepts, and you will be easily able to crack this chapter as well. I would say this chapter you have to learn or go through after you do the first three chapters, because the first three chapters are being easy for years. This chapter was easy this year and the trend is expected to continue. So first you cover all the first three chapters, that is determinants, 3D geometry and statistics. All those were formula based and direct questions. This one usually it used to be tough, but this year it was easy. So the trend is expected to continue. So make sure you do this also to your best. And don't waste even a single second in these last 7 days. These days you have to push yourself hard because JEE Main is around the corner. And don't waste even a second. And if you do so, you will be able to ace this exam and come out with flying colors. I hope the short video, yet insightful one, was very useful for you. And in these 7 days, if you follow all these instructions and if you go through the concept and quickly solve 2024 questions, you will be definitely able to score good scores for math in 2024 April attempt. And I wish you come out with flying colors. That's why I made this video. Like 15 to 20 marks which you gain in these last week will definitely make the difference in your scores and in your NIT as well. You can definitely get a good branch in a good NIT if you work for these last 7 days. So never stop working. Push yourself hard and make it happen. All the best.